Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a holiday fragrance for BeScented, and this is Frankincense and Myrrh. And I'm going to be honest, I had a complete misconception about this fragrance. I thought it was going to be more patchouli, more Nag Champa, and I have no idea why I thought that. I just thought, ew, gross, I'm not going to want to smell it, I'm not going to want to use it in soap, I hope it doesn't work. Ugh, who would ever use Frankincense and Myrrh? And I'll be honest, it was completely, and I never even looked at the fragrance description. So why I ever thought that, I have no idea. But to give you an official description, it is a blend of woody cedar, spicy frankincense, myrrh, sweet sandalwood, musk, warm vanilla. To me, there's like a touch of maybe baby powder in it. Not quite sure, but it's not really that strong. It's not a bold fragrance. It's actually really nice. Like, I'm just super pleasantly surprised at how much I like it. Again, I have no idea why I thought it would be gross or disgusting, but I'd never used it before, and when Jen asked me to test it, I was like, ugh, please, no, I don't want to do it. It's going to be gross. The name just smells bad. But when I opened the tester, I was like, huh, this is it? I was like, this smells actually pretty good. So shame on me for not using it before, but anyway. Good news is that this fragrance behaved fantastic. And so what I am doing is I decided frankincense and myrrh. I was like, okay, I'm going to do activated charcoal. And then what I did was I used the gold dust from BeScented. And the gold dust is technically a biodegradable glitter. So it's kind of listed as a mica, but it's kind of a glitter, but it's kind of super sparkly. And so what it does is it just adds this shimmer and this gold sheen to the batter. So I'm going to leave one portion uncolored. The next portion I'm going to use the gold dust, and then I'm going to use activated charcoal because I love to use activated charcoal on all my soaps. So I'm going to get everything mixed in. And again, this fragrance behaved fine. No issues with acceleration or ricing. Behaved super nice. So that was pleasantly a surprise. And I actually really liked it. And I liked how the design for the soap came out. So go ahead and keep watching. I will do the pour and then I'll bring you guys back for the cut. Alright, so I'm going to get this one cleaned up a little bit, and then you can kind of see on the top too. I know the lighting's not always the greatest, and the lighting can be a little bit deceptive, but if you can see there's like that gold sheen. It's not like in your face I'm gold, but it's just a little bit of a sheen. And I did get some ash on top, but I don't really care about the ash, I just ignore it. But if you can see, there's the little sparkly bits and pieces in the soap. And I was really happy with how the whole design came out. I think I'm actually going to use more of the sparkle gold, or the gold dust is what it's officially called, in my soaps. I should have held these up a little bit longer just so you can see the gold. But it's definitely sparkly and it's super nice. I love how it contrasts with the black and then the overall base. So it's subtle, but yet you can definitely see the touch of gold shimmer. So love, love, love. Run out, grab some gold dust if you haven't gotten it already. I was really happy with the swirl. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.